Fighting the coronavirus has interrupted the fight for justice. With the need for social distancing, court officials are looking for ways to resume legal proceedings in Philadelphia. Other people fear there is going to be a backlog. Alexander Hoff explains what's being considered, including using Zoom.
Having one's day in court,
literally a few thousand people pour into a single building and sit right next to each other,
is likely to look different than it used to.
That is not going to be immediately something we can do.
Once the courts fully reopen, Philadelphia District Attorney Larry Krasner predicts that aspects of social distancing will remain.
We are going to have the capacity for some types of court proceedings to be done in ways that involve the use of technology.
For that, his office is proposing that the city courts establish a Zoom court where hearings could be held virtually.
That's actually what I'm doing right now.
The other issue for the courts once they reopen is a backlog.
Although the courts are closed, attorneys can still file electronically new matters, and they are. So you've got a queue forming.
Stanley Ott served as a common pleas judge in Montgomery County for over 30 years. He now practices law at the firm Mannion Pryor.
It's still the last resort, and if people can't settle their differences, the courts are there to help them. But mediation and arbitration are the future.
Ott sees alternative dispute resolution as a more efficient and cost-effective way to settle non-criminal matters and save court space.
The flow of arrests will be huge. The flow of bail hearings will be huge.
In Philadelphia, the district attorney anticipates that police acting on the warrants issued during the pandemic will add bulk to the system, but
we do not intend to drop cases just because there's a big caseload.
As for the Zoom hearings, a spokesperson for the district attorney's office told me that the authority to allow the use of such technology does lie with the court, so it's not a decision for his office to make. Alexandria Hoff, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.